Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to create with you a sample login and register using Node.js. At the first time I want to create a new folder. Okay, his name is sample authentication. I want to open this folder in my Visual Studio Code. I launch the command npm init to initialize a node project. Just tap the path. Okay. My main is index.js, so I create a new file index.js. I want to create my server here. Okay, I will install MongoDB Express and router. Okay, it's Express app. Just import Express from Express. I have to declare my power. Is already existing, so I will change it. We cannot have two servers in the same pod. Okay, at the second time, I want to create the message. If I start my app, I will see this message in my console or in my terminal. Server start at my localhost address, okay? I want to create the first route or path. Okay. If I wanna open the local host, I wanna see this message. So server is starting, okay? Just is app.get. Now I wanna add my start script. So start is nodamon index.js, okay? So it's starting successfully. You can open this address in your browser. Now I want to install .env. I create a new folder is .env. In this folder, I want to declare some configuration. Okay, like the power. Now I will create .env.config in my server file. Okay, import .env from .env. Now I can use the parameter declared in the .env file. So process .env dot power is capital. So if this one is available or the other. Now I create the Mongo's dot connect process dot env mongo URL. Mongo URL is the address to my database. It's declared in the .env file. And I create also the models folder. I create the user model. The user have a full name, email and password. All these attributes are the type string and require, okay. Okay, I export this user. I create also a routers folder. I create the user router file. I use Express router. I start from the register function. It's a post function. I create a async function. So const user is a new user. Okay, the new user have the name from the request.body.name. Oh, it's not a name, it's a full name. Okay, like here, email and password, okay? So the email will be unique. We can't have two users using the same email. Okay, it's true here. Unique, it's true. Here the password will be crypting, so I use bcryypt.js. This is the function, so bcryypt.hash, the password, the start will be 10. I test this one in my postman and the user is added successfully. It's okay, so here I want to add another conditional. So let user, it's not a const, I want to change it. Wait, I want to search if I have a user using this email. Okay, so user.find1 email, it's the request.body.email. If I have the user, if user is existing, I want to send a message, so return a response.send a user with given address or email here is existing. I want to delete the const. Great, it's work. So that's all for the register function. I want to create the login route. So I want to use the post. The path will be login. It's async function. So here, I want to search the user from the email. Okay, so const user, it's await. So user.found1 email will be the request.body.email. If I have the user, if I found this user, I want to compare the using password with the password in the database. Okay, so I want to use bcrypt.compare because the password is crypting in the database. Okay, if it's okay, I want to send the user, so the username and the user email and password, all the attribute. Okay, id user.id and the full name. Okay, and the other attribute. Great. I want to test the login and it's good. Now I want to use the JSON So I install JSON I create a new file is utils.js. I want to create here my function. It's generate log token. Here, she have a user like parameter. She will return a JWT token. Okay, for this user. Okay, so process.on JWT pass. I have to declare this JWT pass is a secret. Okay, so just create a secret. I want to use another. If this one is not available, I want to use the other. the JSON web token expire in. So I have, okay, it's not necessary, but I want to create it. I want to add a date. Should expire in 10 days, okay? So I have to import JWT from JSON web token. It's okay for this function, I think. So I want to add the token in the response from the login function. Just generate the log token, my function, and I want to send the user as parameter. Oops. Okay, it's not defined. I want to define it. Just import it. I have another problem. It's syntax. Okay. Okay. I cannot export a const function, so export a default generate log token. Oh, here it's expire in. So it's okay, it's worked successfully. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe please.